Okay, in today's video we discuss a shortcut to insert current date and time in Excel. Suppose if you are using Microsoft Excel and if you want to insert the current date or current time in this sheet using a shortcut, for example, I select the cell number 11 and I am going to uh, enter here the current date using a shortcut key. So you can see here, for example, today's date is March 1st 2022 and time is midnight 13 minute 10 second or something. Okay, in my computer keyboard this is the control key and this key. Okay, I press the control key and this key, these two keys at the same time. Press the control key and this key at the same time and you can see the date here, March 1 2022 have been arrived here. So you must press these two keys at the same time. That is, you must press the control key and these two keys at the same time for inserting the time, date. For inserting the time, I select cell number 19 here and I again press three keys at the same time. So you can see this is the control key, this is the shift key. So we press the control key, shift key and this key. So you must press these three keys at the same time and you can see that the current time, if it is already so you can see here, check here, the March 1st 2022 time is midnight 14 minutes gone. So suppose if I select as here and I want to insert the current date, I will again press this control key and this colon key at the same time, these two keys at the same time, and you can see that the current date have been arrived. And suppose if I press three keys, that is the control key, shift key and this semicolon key, these three keys at the same time, then the current date will be arrived here. For more videos like this, subscribe Engineer Cell Online. Thank you.